Repair. Verb. To restore to good working order, fix, or improve damaged condition, to mend, to remedy. To repair a house, a road, a shoe, or a ship. To repair a shattered fortune. Repair. Verb. To make amends for, as for an injury, by an equivalent, to indemnify for. To repair a loss or damage. Repair. Noun. The act of repairing something. I took the car to the workshop for repair. Repair. Noun. The result of repairing something. If you look closely you can see the repair in the paintwork. Repair. Noun. The condition of something, in respect of need for repair. Repair. Noun. The act of repairing or resorting to a place. Our annual repair to the mountains. Repair. Noun. A place to which one goes frequently or habitually, a haunt. Repair. Verb. To transfer oneself to another place. To repair to sanctuary for safety. Repair. Verb. To pair again. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.